What's going on, guys? It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic. We're back again, and what I'm doing this time around is I've got a Citroen C1. I was going to say Peugeot 107, but Citroen C1 on a 2006-7 kind of thing, or 5. This is my car, okay? My Batmobile, the Peugeot. I said Peugeot again. Roxanne's is a Peugeot. The Citroen C1, okay, and we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Dead easy job. We can do it outside the house, no problem whatsoever. I thought I'll give my car some fame, some glory, some YouTube time. Okay, so it's on my Citroen C1. Needs a headlight bulb replacement. Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so the passenger side one, UK, is there. This is the driver side one on this side. Okay, so I mean, they're both pretty much the same. I can get my hand in there, no problem whatsoever. I can get my hand in here, no problem whatsoever as well. But it's the passenger, it's the driver side one that I'm going to replace. So first things first. Okay, so first things first. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this bad boy off, this plug off. As you can see there, let's get my hands in there. It might put up a fight because it might be stuck on the actual pins itself, so give it a little pull. There we go, it does come off eventually. Take this rubber off. There we go, that comes off. And as you can see there, it's a 3-pin headlight bulb, a H4. Right, so all we do here is, as you can see this clip here, we press the clip down and we go that way. Okay, so press down and go. Sorry about the noise, it's so windy out here. Better angle there, so I know my finger's going to get in the way, so I'm sorry guys, I just can't. Yeah, that's better, that's a better angle. So press down and go that way, and then push that down this way like that, and here is the bulb. There we go, happy days. One bulb off, 3-pin headlight bulb. Let's get the new one on. Okay guys, so there's a new bulb here. Just put it in reverse order, you can't really get it wrong. Just make sure it goes into the cutout. Okay, in the cutout there. Okay, in the cutout there. All we do now is put that clip over, and the clip there. Let's see if I can show you in a better angle so I can get my hand in there. There we go. That's a better angle. Just push the clip in that way. Boom, there we go. Onto that little hook there. The clip is on. Bulb is on. Let's get the cover back on. Cover goes back on. Get the plug back on. Sorry about the wind, the noise of the wind. There we go, there we have it, all done and dusted. Okay guys, so that's it, all done and dusted, dead easy. The only hardest bit I would say is to take the plug off, okay, because sometimes they can get stuck onto the bulb, fuse themselves onto the bulb. So yeah, that's the only hard bit. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.